POV drive, man. Hey, what's up, everybody? It's your boy Q. You know who I'm back with another video. Thank y'all for kicking it with your boy Q. Today, POV nighttime drive. So y'all can see like what the tint look like. So if you don't know, I have 55% tint on my front windshield and basically 5 on the sides, and what it equals out to. On this side, the driver's side, I have like 20% and then 15% on top of that, something like that. And on my passenger side, I got true 5% because somebody broke into my truck, and they just basically to equal it out to the driver's side, they just put 5% tint to get to max. So basically looking at 5% tint with a 55% windshield tint. So that's what it looks like at nighttime, man. So y'all sit back and enjoy. I ain't gonna talk. Y'all just sit back and enjoy the ride so y'all can see what it looks like. Going to increase my speed a little bit, a little slow. Got a car passing. Got another car passing. Look how tall the truck is compared to these cars. You'll probably notice that, switch lanes here, that the ride is a little bumpy. Not sure if y'all can tell in the video. The camera might be putting on auto stabilization, but I'm definitely vibing up and down. Sport mode takeover right here. Let's see how fast we can get up to passing speed. Perspective at nighttime. Maybe actually get over to this way over here. You see how dark it is when I look over to my right. I really can't. I mean, I can see headlights, but you know, somebody right there next to me in that spot, man, if they in my blind spot's gonna be bad news because it's pretty dark over there. A little passing power. So 75, we floor it. Woo. She got to speed quick. Really quick. Wasn't expecting that. Coming over a bridge here. I'm taking it out of sport mode. Don't need that tonight. See how she handles. Got the police. Whoop, whoop, whoop. There goes the police. What's going on at the hospital? Dang, he flying too. He or she. Dang, it's like 4 cops out there. What's going on at the hospital? All right, guys, so this dark area I'm telling you about, like you can see, like there's a car up ahead of me, unfortunately, but I want y'all to really see how dark it is, but it's pretty dark back here. So I'm gonna go ahead and throw my light bar on so y'all can see the difference with that here in a second. I'm gonna let this car get over the hill so y'all can really get a true picture. There we go. So this no light bar, no light bar, and this is with my brights on. So I'm not sure how much is coming up camera. This thing right here is cool. It's always burning at nighttime. It's like a fire. Like I forget what it is. It's something, but it always burns at nighttime. It's pretty cool. Turn my brights off, turn my fog light off, and this is what you normally see. Right here, look to your left. Can't really see much out there. Pretty dark. See the lights. Straight ahead, look to my right, my passenger side. You can't see nothing over there. Like it's pitch black. So, all right, here we go. We on another dark stretch of road. Got a nice bend coming up right here. I'm gonna turn my light bar on because I like to see, you know, up the road ahead. Hit my brights too, so I can actually see through this this bend. I'm actually gonna cut my heat on, 'cause I'm a little cold too. So here we go, coming around this bend. As y'all can see, we got an oncoming car. Turn everything off. Here we go. Turn everything back on. Yeah, but the light bar does a good job of other high beams and everything, or the Morimoto headlights, lighting up the side, the markers, so you can kind of really see through. All right, here we go. Coming to the section I was talking about, pretty hilly, pretty tight turns. Y'all can see it. I'm taking this truck, is taking this at 60, almost 60 miles an hour, man. Like a champ. Got a car coming. I think my it's off. Okay, it was already off. There we go. Back on. Look at this. Look at these hills. And like, look at the trees on the side. Like, there's no lights back here. It's kind of peaceful at the same time. To be honest with y'all. Light bar on. Here it is. Oh crap, car. Sorry. Here we go. Nice tight turn right here. This is. Nice and smooth. We got a left and a righter. 30 miles an hour suggestion. Here we go. Oh yeah, this is tight. Ooh, feel a lot of body roll. Tons of body roll. My body's literally leaning all the way to the left. Then come back to the right. Nice bump there. Truck's a little all over the place with the suspension. That's what you get with a lifted truck, man. You get a lot of roll, a lot of body roll, a lot of bumps. Truck doesn't feel planted at all. I feel like you just want to go off the road. Here's another real tight turn. Oh yeah, hard on the brakes. Coming through. It's tight, 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 tight. There's a nice stretch right here, so I'm gonna put it in sport mode and give it some acceleration. Here we go. There we go. Take it out of sport mode. Road is pretty dark. So I'm gonna go ahead and turn on everything. Brights, light bar. Go. Oh, bumps. Terrible back here. Oh, truck all over the place. Cars all on my butt. Go. Let down. Literally, I can barely see this car headlights. That's how close they are to me. Jeez. Truck, I think I got a car coming up here. I do. Off. It's pretty dark out here, guys. Fields. Y'all probably can't see anything at this point. Oh, bumpy roads. Here we go. Jeez. Truck is absorbing the bumps pretty good, but yeah, it's all over. Oh my God, look at the moon. The moon is actually absolutely gorgeous. Holy. Jeez, look at that. I'm not sure if y'all can see that. But the moon is gorgeous tonight. Look at that. I'm not sure if y'all can see that over there. Oh my goodness. Half quarter moon. It's like a half moon. Pretty orange and bright. Big bump. Tight turn.